women sitting here are all privileged ones. But for that, my answer is because sooner or later, in India, all the women and all the people sitting at home, you have to your girl child, even when they is small, you have to educate them. We should not just think that there's a girl and we just grown up उसको किसी कॉलेज में भेज दिया, शी लर्न एक डिग्री मिल गई है, वी शुड गेट मैरिड हर. ये कंसेप्ट इंडिया में जब तक चेंज नहीं होगा, इट्स वेरी वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट नहीं आएगा. क्योंकि अगर आपका यही कंसेप्ट है इंडिया में कि बस लड़कियों को इसलिए पढ़ाना है कि उनकी शादी हो जाए अच्छी जगह, एंड दे ऑल्सो थिंक कि गर्ल्स को ही लगता है कि नहीं एक अच्छे पैसे वाले लड़के से शादी कर लेते हैं, एंड दैट्स वाई. क्योंकि बहुत सी गर्ल्स का भी मैंने गो प्लेसेस, आई आस्क्ड ऑल द गर्ल्स when we talk about the equality, so financially also you should be equal to contribute to your home. Whether you're sitting at home for your parents, you should support your family. Why only your brothers? You should also support your family sitting at home. And it's not about the graduation like degrees, it's about the skills. So a lot of government programs are running in the Skill India program, and where all the girls, even if are not educated much, if they have not having the opportunity to learn more in getting the degrees, they can learn something doing some skill. Like they can learn some skill which can give them, we can help them to generate the money and give some financial support. So I think that concept should be there. All the girls should think that they have to be financially independent wherever they are. If they are at home and they got married as well later and sooner, like at each and every step of your life, you have to be financially financially independent to support your family and for yourself. I feel that is very important. That has to be inculcated in all the girls' child at your home. So the journey in India starts from the home. So I think we all have the responsibility of doing it. We should all educate our girls, those who are having daughters, that make them think like that. You should take education to be financially independent. It's very important in today's world. I think that's my feeling, and that.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nagma. Yes, I think the first step to empowerment is